We now choose the statements which are true out of this given statement. So I'm going to verify each statement one by one and decide which statements are true. So first, let's consider this statement, that is x power 7 has the largest value for x greater than 1. So consider x equal to 2, which is greater than 1. And let's evaluate these expressions, that is x cube as well as x power 5 and x power 7. So when x equal to 2, this will be 2 cube, and this will be 2 power 5, and this will be 2 power 7. 2 cube is 8, 2 power 5 is 32, and 2 power 7, this equals 128. So we can clearly see that for x greater than 1, this 128 is the largest value. So which means x power 7 is largest out of these three expressions. So this statement is true. Also, now we look at this last statement, that is x cube as the smallest value for x is greater than 1. Yes, definitely out of these three expressions, we find that 8 is the smallest value, which corresponds to x power 3. So we say that this statement is also true. Maybe I write down this as this is true. I'm sorry. So this is true and this is also true. Now let's verify this statement, that is x power 7 has the smallest value for x greater than 0 and less than 1. Here consider x to be like half, and this is definitely greater than 0 and less than 1. So let's evaluate the expressions x cube, x power 5 and x power 7 by plugging in x equal to 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 2 quantity cube, and this will be 1 by 2 quantity power 5, and this is 1 by 2 raised to the power of 7. And so according to the exponent's law, I can write this as 1 divided by 2 cube, and this is 1 divided by 2 power 5, and this is 1 divided by 2 power 7. Let's simplify this. So we get this is 1 divided by 2 cube is 8, and this is 1 divided by 2 power 5 is 32. And so this becomes 1 divided by 2 power 7 is 128. And out of these three values, this value 1 divided by 128 is the smallest one, because in all this expression we are basically dividing this 1 by a denominator. So when the denominator increases, when the denominator is large, the value is going to be smaller. So when you divide 1 by 28, it's going to be much smaller than the if it is divided by 1, and it is also going to be much smaller when it is divided by 8. So we say that 1 divided by 128, or we say that the corresponding expression, that is x power 7, has the smallest value for x greater than 0 and less than 1. And so this statement is true. I mark this as true. Now let's determine the next statement, that is x power 3 has the largest value for x greater than 0 and less than 1. And clearly we can replace the same condition, as we said that 1 divided by 8 is going to be the largest value, or it's going to be the largest value compared with the 1 divided by 32 or 128. So the corresponding expression x cube is going to have the largest value for x greater than 0 and less than 1. So this statement is also true. And so therefore we can clearly see that all the statements are true. So therefore we choose the last statement, all of the above are true.